Guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve a great relaxed hair by yourself. Definitely stay with me. Thank you guys so much. So the first thing I'll do is I'll be using this relaxer. It's perfective, and yes, it comes in regular, so I'll be using it to relax my hair. Next up, I have my tail comb, my big comb, and then I'm going to be combing my hair right now. So it's very important to comb your hair from the tip to the roots so as to avoid too much breakage from the hair. So what I've done is to add my relaxer into this bowl. Yes, I know the bowl is big, guys, but that was what I could get. So yes, I'm going to go into mixing the relaxer together right now. Yeah, so the relaxer has been mixed. Yes, let's just get into applying it. So first I'm going to partition my hair into 4 places like so. As you can see, I'm trying to partition my hair. This step is very important so that the relaxer can penetrate into every part of the hair. So right now, yes, I partition it to 2, and I'm going to go ahead to partition it to 4 places right now, like so. So yes, I have 4 parts right now, as you can see. Let's go relaxing. So yes, I'm just applying the relaxer to the roots of my hair, as you can see, which is very important. You need to start from the roots. So yes, I'm just partitioning the hair and applying the relaxer like so. This step is very important so that, because when you want to relax your hair, you want your roots to be relaxed, because that is where it needs the relaxer the most. So it is at this point now that I would start applying relaxer to the edges of my hair, because that is the part that tends to get relaxed quickly and you don't want your scalp to get burned. That is why you actually need to leave it till the end part. So yes, I'm just applying to the edges right now. That is what I'm doing. Now this is the time to start massaging the hair properly. You need to massage the hair so that the relaxer can soften, the lower part of your hair. Yeah, you guys understand what I mean. You need to massage the hair properly, as you can see that I have done that. And now I'm just going to continue to massaging the back of the hair. Yes, I continue to massage the back also. You can see as I walk my hands into the hair to help the relaxer soften the the hair as I want it to be.
so many girls, so many fine girls, so many nice girls. A day with plenty, but I know if you forget Angelina, yo, Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina. Fine girl from Ghana, they get to pick it back up. Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina. Hey, Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina. Fine girl from Ghana, they get to pick it back up. Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina. Hey, yo, ọmọ olówó tí ò ṣàkàrà, ọmọ olówó tí ò gbéraga, ọmọ olówó no dey do anyhow.
At this point now, I'm just massaging the hair and combing it out, stretching out all the parts that I felt were strong or that was due, that has been retouched now. I'm just stretching it out and then we leave it for some seconds before we wash it out, while I'm still massaging the hair, so you guys can see, because this step is very important. Massaging it is just like you're stretching out the hair, you know what I mean? So yes guys, and now we are done relaxing the hair. Guys, see how relaxed it looks. See, my hair is relaxed. Yes, so I'm going to show you guys the things that I used in helping it also after washing out the relaxer from the hair. So first, after shampooing the hair for almost 3 to 4 times, yeah, so that until when it's not showing any pink, I then went in with this deep conditioner to condition the hair, so the hair is soft and yeah, so the hair is soft. Yes, so I went in with this. Then I later went in with this leave-in conditioner. So I actually left this one, this is still on my hair right now. I left it in on my hair so that my hair can have a little bit of body, a little bit of shine, and this leave-in also prevents breakage. So it can help my hair from the light relaxer and all that, so my hair doesn't really break. It's super relaxed. Yeah, let me just turn the back so you guys can see what I'm saying there. I hope you guys can see that it is super relaxed. So yes, you can actually do this yourself, but if you feel like it's something you can't do yourself, definitely feel free to go to the salon. I'm an hair stylist, it is my profession. I've been doing hair for over 15 years now. So if you feel like it's not something you can do by yourself, then by all means come to the salon and let a professional get it done for you. But I feel like with the proper guidance and instruction, you can actually relax your hair by yourself and achieve a great and a great texture of hair and a relaxed hair. And I advise you not to relax your hair every month or every 2 months. I try to relax my hair twice in a year, but if I can't, I do thrice in a year. So I retouched my hair last in December, and this is May. I just relaxed my hair again, and I'll probably leave it till the end of the year before I relax again. But if I can't, probably August or something, and then December again. So I advise you to probably don't relax your hair every month or every 2 months. It's going to break their hair. There's some people who say their hair is super strong and they have to. Well, if your hair is super strong, then consult your hairstylist on the best thing to do for your hair. Thank you guys so much if you watched to this point. Thank you to all the returning subscribers and all the new people that are going to come across this video. Yes, you can do it yourself.
I've met so many girls, so many fine girls, so many nice girls. A day with plenty, but I know if you forget Angelina, yo, Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina. Fine girl from Ghana, they get to pick it back up. Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina. Hey, Angelina, yo, 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 Angelina, yo, yo, yo.
Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Get to pick it back up.